Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your Interactive Brokers account is funded and approved for incoming transfers. Without approval, you cannot proceed. Next, collect your existing broker's account number and the transfer protocol code like DTC or a CAT because matching identifiers speed processing. Finally, gather proof of ownership, recent statement, cost basis data, and ID so you can complete transfer forms quickly. Once done, log into Client Portal and open the Transfer and Pay section to start the transfer request. Now initiate the incoming transfer in Client Portal. Pick a CAT for account-level transfers or DTC for specific securities. The correct route prevents rejections. Enter the delivering broker's name, account number, and precise holdings you want moved, ticker, share count, and whether you want full or partial transfer, because mismatches trigger delays. Upload supporting statements and confirm cost basis method, then authorize the transfer with your e-signature. Once submitted, note the transfer reference and expected timeline so you can monitor progress. Finish by actively monitoring the transfer status in Client Portal and your email. Interactive Brokers or the delivering broker may request additional docs. When holdings appear, immediately reconcile share counts, positions, and cost basis against your prior statement to ensure accuracy. If something is missing or incorrect, contact IB with the transfer reference and supplying broker details, and be ready to correct account numbers or upload missing statements. This resolves most issues. One troubleshooting tip: if transfers stall, request a contact confirmation from the delivering broker to unblock a CAT validations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.